Okay, hi students, my name is Reshma Bulani here and I am specialized in maths and science for more than 15 years. Now, before I start with the topic acids and bases, I will let you know what all I will be covering in this chapter. I will be covering the term of acids, bases, the reaction between acids and bases, the common characteristics or properties of acids and bases, indicators, the strength of acid or base, and the importance of pH in everyday life. Besides that, I will be also covering certain topics like salts, neutralization, etc. Now students, you know that all the compounds on the basis of the chemical properties can be classified as acids, bases and salts. Now they have different definite properties and thus it distinguishes these compounds from each other. Now the sour taste of vegetables and fruits, for example lemon, orange, etc., is due to various types of acids present in them. Also most of the digestive fluids of humans and animals contains acids. And the bitter taste of the substance like cucumber, gourd is due to the bases present in them. Now let's see the difference between acids and bases. I will first explain to you the difference between acids and bases. Then I will proceed ahead with the acid topic only and then we will switch over to bases. Now what is the difference between acid and bases? Acids are those chemical substances which have a sour taste and turns blue litmus solution red. Now what is meant by litmus? A litmus is a type of a paper that changes color according to the acidity of a solution. It's an indicator. For example, some common fruits such as lemon and orange are sour in taste. HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, gives hydrogen ions plus chlorine ions. You can see that acids furnish hydrogen ions whereas bases furnish hydroxide ions, which I have not written here. The reason is that I will be telling it to you later. Now bases are substances that furnish hydroxide ions. I have written there but not with the formula, right? In an aqueous solution, they are bitter in taste and soapy to touch and turn red litmus solution blue.